check my latitude. Top floor, that's who in the zoo. Strut move like whoop down the avenue. Hey, I just want the finer things. I've been looking my whole life trying to find them things. I'ma take the whole pie, that's mine. Like, if you want a slice, baby, you can try mine. Hey, gimme, 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 give me all that good. Shimmy, 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 do it like you should.
Ooh, I like that.
Ooh, I like that.
You know I don't even gotta ask. I just want it all in a flash. Every time I keep coming back. Ooh, I like that. If you like it, then I love it. Put some extra on the next one. Got me hustling to the beat, fresher than I ever seen. Hey, I just want the finer things. I've been looking my whole life trying to find them things. I'ma take the whole pie, that's mine. Like, if you want a slice, baby, you could try mine. Hey, gimme, 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 give me all that good. Shimmy, 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 do it like you should. Hey.
Alright guys, so as you can see, this is a challenging track to take with a caravan, and this is probably the most challenging track we've actually taken our Hitch Hika on so far. It was very tight at times, as you can see, and there were many obstacles, ruts, washouts and corrugations to try and get through. But we all safely made it to ELIOT Falls Campground and had a fantastic time, so stay tuned for all the waterfalls to come.
Alright. Look. I got that wow. Who wants some hands up right now? We got that, turn it up loud. I know you're wondering how. I got that wow. Here I go, coming. I can't ever stop, I'm a tour de force running. Get me to the top, I don't need an invitation. I'm about to start a celebration, let me in. Brought a good time plus some friends. Turn it up loud past 10. Turning up the crowd when I hit them with the pow. Yeah, the party never ends, cause if you want that, whoa, I can give you more. Come on, yeah, let's go. If you want that, whoa, I can give you more. Come on, yeah, let's go. I got that wow. Who wants some hands up right now? We got that, turn it up loud. I know you're wondering how. I got that wow. I got that woo-hoo, yippee, yeah, that's on me. Homie, yo, my God, I'm on geeks. breaknecks when I strut to my own beat. Yeah, I'm putting on a show when it's all free. Ay, catch me in the spotlight. I can't get enough, do this all night. Alright, all likes, no hate. Ay, ay. Gas me up, no brakes. Wait, wait. If you want that roll, I can give you more. Come on, yeah, let's go. I got that wow. Who wants some hands up right now? We got that, turn it up loud. I know you're wondering how. I got that wow. Wow. I got that wow.
Here we go.
To what we've already given up. It's like we're pacing around the obvious. Separate lives, different stories. 2 out of 4 of us are all fed up. Well, you and I play with fire, but don't say nothing. Oh, we're both busted. We'll get what's coming after you. No, don't say nothing. Or bon voyage to rendezvous. Trade fights for better views. We both need something new. Maybe we should just tell them. Shit, I think I hear somebody. So long to rendezvous. So long to. So long to. We've known each other longer. Yeah, I think that should matter. Yeah, we might have took it too far, but we feel the same way. It's like a perfect mistake. So don't say nothing. Oh, we're both busted. We'll get what's coming after you. No, don't say nothing. Or bon voyage to rendezvous. Trade fights for better views. We both need something new. Maybe we should just tell them. Shit, I think I hear somebody. So long to rendezvous. So long to. Heart beats faster when you're around. I can't hide it when we're loving this loud. Heart beats faster when you're around. I can't hide it. They've gotta know. Maybe we should just tell them. Bon voyage to rendezvous. Trade fights for better views. We both need something new. Maybe we should just tell them. Shit, I think I hear somebody. So long to rendezvous. So long to.
be at. Where are we? Fruit Bat Falls. Good job.
Wanna take a trip to the wild side. Wanna learn how to be brave, take what's mine. Wanna learn about what's on the inside. 'Cause I feel like we're running out of time. Yeah, I'm atypical. It's all physical. So good, it's criminal. Yeah, I'm invincible. Yeah, I'm atypical. It's all physical. So good, it's criminal. Yeah, I'm invincible. I've been waiting for just the right time. Now I'm ready to change, it feels right. I'm ready to play the game. Adrenaline, no, it can't be tamed. Yeah, I'm atypical. It's all physical. So good, it's criminal. Yeah, I'm invincible. Yeah, I'm atypical. It's all physical. So good, it's criminal. Yeah, I'm invincible. It's time to rise. My turn to fight. I got too much pride. Won't lose this time. Yeah, I'm atypical. It's all physical. So good, it's criminal.
Hey guys, and thanks for watching another video. Now that saucepan that we had some fun in, we didn't even know it was there last year, so we were actually really glad that we found it this year. It's just off the ELIOT campground walking path, so make sure you check that out because we completely missed it last year. Alright, next week you'll see the OTT North End, so make sure you stay tuned for that and see who gets stuck in Nolan's.
Like and subscribe.